Welcome everyone. This is Cluster API Release Team Weekly Sync. Today is December 16th. Before jumping in, quick reminder, we abide with the CNCF Code of Conduct, which means that just being respectful to each other, making this meeting a welcoming place for everyone. And if anyone has anything to speak up or any question, they can use the hand gesture from the feature from the Zoom to raise their questions or doubts. Okay. Uh, Before today, we have a retrospective. Before that, uh, I think we have just if I go through the task list of 1.12, think this task of these two tasks of assembling the next release team, I have proposed uh, a team, and thank you everyone who is volunteering again for the next release team. Appreciate it. And the proposal I have already posted in the cluster API channel. If anyone wants to maybe change their role or they want to talk about anything, they can DM me. So these two tasks are completed. Probably will get these two checked. Uh, From the week 16 tasks, we had this task from the communication manager of updating the cluster CTL links in the quick start. So anyone from the comms team uh, wants to give the status of this one?
I'm a part of the comms team, but I'm not sure what is the status of that.
I think I did sort a PR for this Aman, this Kickstart one. So I'm not sure. I think it might be done. We can follow
Yeah,
up
yeah, I
later.
also saw
Yeah.
the thread. I think it was in progress and it was done. So we'll probably check with Chandan one more time and check this. This one, Arshad, post release cleanup.
Yeah, I actually need to check. I did check last week itself. What I saw that I think I already raised PR to remove the 1.9 dashboard and jobs. That is already done. Cleanup, but this updating, I think this docs, I need to verify it. This, I think Wendy did raise some PR to just update the basically 1.9 we are not now supporting, so we are removing that version, so that needs to be updated. So I think it got updated, but I'll check it. I'll just verify it once in the book.
Okay, so did you have to raise a PR for that?
I might need to raise a PR. I'll check it out in the docs. I need to, I think, update it.
Okay.
So I'll verify if the PR is already there. Yeah, I
Okay.
did saw some PR actually. So I
Hmm.
just want to verify if the PR is already done or not.
Okay. Oh, fine. You can just after this call maybe post the status in the
Yeah.
thread in the cluster repair release channel. Okay. Okay, fine. And I think there was one more task. Uh, this one. 1.12.1 release. This one is supposed to be done on 18th of December. So yeah, we'll sync up on 18th in the cluster repair release thread, and we can complete this one also then. Okay, I think apart from this, uh, do you want to give any status update from the CIE?
Not much update from CI side, Aman. I think there are issues open. Um, I was going through the improvement board. I think I'll be closing one issue that is related to that issue we last encountered on 1.9. So since 1.9 release, we are not anymore maintaining now. So I'll just close that issue. Uh,
Good.
yeah. Other
Okay.
than that, I think two three issues will be like will be going to 1.13 dash
Yeah, yeah.
improvement
That
board.
probably will move them to
Yeah.
1.13. Yeah. Anything from comps? Anyone wants to give any update? Okay, I'll take it as a no. Yeah. Here also, if probably will going to move anything open to 1.13 now. Okay, fine. Okay, let's go with the retrospective today. So the goal of today is retro is simple to reflect on what went well, what didn't go so well, and what can we improve for the next cycle. Yeah, we are here to basically learn and improve the process together. So all feedback is welcome, whether it is about CI, release timing, uh, communication, coordination. Okay, so okay, let's start with what went well. Anyone wants to highlight those points?
Um, I can go first
Sure.
from the CI. I guess there were many issues in the improvement dashboard that we did close this release, but the thing is, there were issues from 2024, like long back. Those also we closed, and that's a good thing, I guess.
Yeah,
Um, yeah. And I would really want to appreciate here the maintainers Fabrizi, Stephen, Chris. They actually really helped when the CI was in red state. So yeah, shout out to those guys.
great, great. Uh, Anyone else want to speak up about what went well? Anything?
One more thing from my side is the CI side, right? So we had many people volunteer in the team,
Hmm.
but the good thing is they did inform me in advance that they won't be able to give much of the uh, time here in CI because of their personal work. So I really appreciate that they did inform me and I was able to handle the things accordingly.
Great, great. Yeah, I also think that the CI team has done a really good job this release cycle, and we were able to close a lot of issues, and we were very proactive. So that proactiveness and ability to pick up the work, even the long pending ones, that was commendable. So great job from the CI team. Yeah. Anything else anyone wants to discuss about the release timings or coordination? Even a small things
I
are also
actually
good.
want to,
Yeah.
sorry, I actually want to highlight this thing. Actually, we did not had a release lead right in between, and we had to choose the release lead. So, Aman stepped up and then took up the work in a very short time actually, and did completed the. So, thank you, Aman. So,
Yeah.
yeah, that's really nice. Actually, in between, you did took up this work. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. It was all because of you guys. You were two guys made my job very easy. So thank you everyone, both from the CI as well as comms team, and also our senior folks. They really uh, they were very helpful, and any doubt, because this was also the first time for me. So yeah, because of the whole team, the team spirit is very good. Uh, was very good for this release cycle, and we really hope that same goes for the next cycle also and the coming future ones. Yeah. So okay. Uh, anything else you want to highlight?
So I just want to highlight one thing. So as part of CI team, initially I used to take some look into the problems, but later due to some personal commitments in the work, I was unable to do. And I would like to give shout out to Harshada. So she took all the responsibility and she led everything
Yeah.
from CI side.
Yeah. Yeah. Ashar has done a very good job, and yeah, the communication between the team is very important, because these things we cannot commit. We would be able to be with part of the whole cycle. So this coordination between the team, I think, is really. I think the plus point we had this time was uh, everyone was able to communicate their issues, or they have any personal issues and anything, so that does not affect the release cycle. So I think we should carry this openness and transparency to the next cycle also. Yeah, great guys, good job. Okay, probably if anyone wants to add anything, or whatever they have said and I have missed, so they can also update this documentation, or if they want to anything, any ideas or any thought comes later on, they can probably add that to this document. Okay, let's go with what did not go so well. What are the things which were not so well? Anyone?
Only thing that comes to my mind is that we had some of the tasks done a bit late, but
Mhm.
those were not anything very critical, and we were able to make the releases on time. So that seems
Yeah.
very minor improvement for us to do this cycle.
Yeah. Yeah. True. Yeah. So probably we can learn from this from the for the next coming cycle. Anything else? Anything related to CI comms? Any coordination issue? Even small frictions are worth calling out. Okay, I think I'll take it as a no. Okay, now this is an interesting one. What can we improve for the upcoming releases? I think people would have very good ideas for this one.
I noticed that there was a bit of discussion in the Slack channel that about like what is a flaky test and when to report that, and that is maybe that something that is not currently documented.
Hmm.
So maybe that would be an improvement, that there should be more documentation for new members to read up on how the CI signal should be done. I at least started to look into this now that I'm a part of the CI team
Yes.
next cycle. So I can also take this upon myself to try to improve the documentation. But I feel like that would be probably a good improvement.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I feel like Arshada has been doing very good job. So if you have any tips for me or any ideas for what could be documented, I would really like to hear it.
Sure, Papi. We can maybe discuss in detail. But I guess there was already a discussion here, like in the release channel, that how we need to basically the how we need to report the flaky test and how we can debug all those things. Prior, there was a CI manager. I don't recall the name, but he has given the insights like how he used to do the things. So accordingly, I also like followed him and I was doing the things. So maybe we can discuss over that and we can maybe see how we can document it somewhere. Um, this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's I feel would be very good.
Yeah. That would be a good addition. Yeah.
Yeah, but I at least don't have anything else. Thank you for writing down my idea.
Yeah. What else can we improve? Hmm. I think we have a very already a good systematic way of handling the releases. So, I mean, I didn't face any issue in that, and even the documentation for me personally, uh, because this was my first time as a release lead, uh, I the documentation was very good. So uh, I couldn't find a lot of difficulty in adapting my role, what are my responsibilities. So that's good. I mean, improving, adding this documentation over of flakiness will also help the CI team, even the newcomers, they can really benefit from it. Anything else can we improve? Okay, I'll take it as a no, but I mean, these kind of ideas keep on coming. They won't come in a single moment. So anytime you feel you have missed something or any new idea comes in your mind, you can always come here and add your thoughts in this document. Okay. Uh, do we have any final concern, idea, question, anything? Anyone wants to speak? Anything? Okay, I'll take it as a no. Thank you guys for being part of this release cycle 1.12, and uh, you have really made this cycle very smooth, and I hope we'll do even better in the upcoming cycles. So thank you everyone for all of your efforts and contributions. Okay, with this, I think we can wrap up this call. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.